Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2017 Toyota Kluger, stock number 723. It's around from 11th 2016 to the 2nd 2021. There's a 2GR FK 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. It's backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2GR 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. Left front car, left front 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Door mirror, left rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear door no dents, centre console, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,